Hello, friends. Today, we're going to take a look at the Universal Stabilizer VB4 for your smartphone, made by Feiyu Tech. This gadget will help you shoot professional quality videos with smooth movements and dynamic shots. Feiyu Tech VB4 is very lightweight and compact, so you can easily carry it with you in your backpack. This device gives you the ability to create professional-level videos with minimal effort. With just one simple move, you can turn this stabilizer into a crane. This will help you capture stunning shots from higher angles. Raise your stabilizer up and make smooth movements to reveal a bird's eye view. Just look at the amazing results you can achieve. With this stabilizer, you can also get smooth movements when shooting from low angles. All you need to do is flip the stabilizer upside down and move between objects to get a dynamic perspective. Thanks to this stabilizer, your video will look stable and free from shakes or jolts. This stabilizer is perfect for travel. Feiyu Tech VB4 allows you to easily adjust the settings for time-lapse, choosing the speed and intervals of your shots. One of the key advantages of this stabilizer is its tracking feature. It allows you to automate your shots, using functions like time-lapse and slow motion. Feiyu Tech VB4 also supports vertical shooting. This is especially convenient for those who create content for social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram. You simply switch the stabilizer to a vertical position, and your videos instantly adapt to the platform's format. Another important feature is the Axis Lock button. This button locks your phone in one position, allowing you to shoot stable footage without the risk of accidental shifts. This is especially useful when you need to capture a long shot where precise positioning is crucial. Now, let's talk about controlling the stabilizer. Feiyu Tech VB4 has an adjustment ring. If you press this button once, it activates a mode that helps you control focus. If you press it again, you can make very smooth zoom-ins and zoom-outs. This is an incredibly useful feature. If you press and hold the button, you'll enter a special mode that lets you control tilting left and right. If you press the button again, you can control the panning axis, moving left and right. All of this happens very smoothly. If you press the button a third time, you'll be able to control tilting forward and backward. These are incredibly useful functions that will help you make your shots smooth and stable, allowing you to experiment. Finally, here are a few tips and tricks that will help you make your video even more professional. Your walk should be smooth, with your knees slightly bent. This helps reduce unnecessary shaking and makes your shots even smoother. Hold the stabilizer with both hands, keeping your elbows close to your body. This will help you control the stabilizer's movements more effectively. Don't be afraid to experiment. And happy shooting with the Feiyu Tech VB4.